Perfect. You look like it's good. That's right. At the very end, when you're ready, come on back to this spot right here to die. Dan, when we die soft, that's real concrete. Don't move. God's that's your Dan. It's your job. Back up that like you're talking about your fast passes through the week. Alright? Now face me. Hold up your knife. Good, you've done this before. Oh, Michigan. Sure you have. Okay. Now, when I say action, your first be slow. You know what, Dan? Give me a menacing look. Not a seductive look, but thanks, man.